Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add a PDF inside Google Sites in the 2026 interface. It's super simple and great if you want people to view or scroll through a document right on your page. So let's jump in. First, open the site you want to edit. If you're starting fresh, just select a blank template. Otherwise, open an existing page you want to upload the PDF into. Next, head over to the right side panel and click on the Insert tab. This is where all the content tools live. Now scroll down until you see the Embed option. Google Sites doesn't have a direct PDF upload button, so embedding is how we actually place a PDF on the page. In the Embed window, choose the By URL option, then paste the share link of your PDF from Google Drive. If you haven't shared it yet, just open the PDF in Drive and set the link to anyone with the link can view. After you paste the link, click Insert. Google Sites will load a preview of the PDF right into your page. You can drag the corners to resize it, move it into a section, or even center it to make it look clean. Once the PDF looks good, hit the Publish button in the top right. Anyone visiting your Google site will be able to scroll through the entire document without downloading it. And that's all you need to add a PDF into Google Sites. If this helped, feel free to subscribe for more simple web tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.